Have you ever wondered how a CNC machine works? Well, on this video I'm going to be showing you guys how it works. So, when it comes to a CNC machine, there's always going to be an electrical side and a mechanical side to things. So, the electrical actually drives or powers the mechanical. So, let's go ahead and start. Basic electrical system will comprise of a power supply that powers the control module, the stepper motor drivers, and then the stepper motor itself. That stepper motor is then connected to a mechanical system that moves this device back and forth. So this is a Z-axis or my spindle motor for a CNC machine that I'm building. So I will say that this is a GRBL controller. They come in different types that run on different softwares, but they're basically all the same. They all convert G code to produce movement. So let's go ahead and go to the computer side of things. So this is my software that I'm running. It's an open build system. This is the G code sender, as you can see here. This is G code. See that? Yeah. So every time there's a movement, there's a G code for that movement that is processed by the controller that moves your device. So it travels down the cable to the controller. Controller then converts those into signals that travel through these wires that are connected to the stepper motor driver, which then turn the stepper motor. And that stepper motor controls your device because it's mechanically connected. So really quick, let me go ahead and do a demonstration. So I'm going to be moving that device back and forth by moving my Z-axis buttons here. So keep an eye out on that. You see that? Now in the opposite direction. And that's it. That's basically what's going on. So the signal, the G-code signal, again, travels down the cable to the controller, to the drivers, to the motor, and finally the output on the actual mechanical device there. So if you ever wonder how CNC works, now you know. Have any comments, leave them in the section down below. I want to thank you guys for watching. God bless you, and I will see you guys on the next video.